In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert time to seconds. If you've ever had a list of times like 1:15:30 and needed to know the total seconds, this quick method will save you a lot of manual math. We'll do it directly in your spreadsheet using a simple formula. The key idea to understand is that spreadsheet programs store time as a fraction of a day. Since there are 80/60/400 seconds in a full day, 24 hours times 60 minutes times 60 seconds, we can convert any valid time to seconds by multiplying that fraction by 86,400. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. It's a good habit to place your result in a separate column so you keep the original time values intact. With that destination cell active, you're ready to enter the formula. Type an equals sign to begin the formula. Then click the cell that contains the time you want to convert. You should see a reference appear, like A2, which simply points to the time value. Now type an asterisk followed by 86400. Altogether, your formula should look like equals, the cell reference, then multiply by 86400. For example, it might look like eats out A2 86400. This tells the spreadsheet to take that time value, the fraction of a day, and scale it up to total seconds. Press Enter to confirm. You should instantly see the number of seconds for that time. For instance, 1:15:30 becomes 45:30 seconds. That's 1 hour and 15 minutes and 30 seconds converted into a single total, which is often much easier to filter, sort, or calculate with. If your result still looks like a time instead of a number, your cell may be formatted as time. As a quick tip, change it to general or number so you can see the plain numeric seconds. Another helpful tip: if you need whole seconds only, you can wrap the result with a rounding function to remove decimals. And if your original time is stored as text rather than a true time value, consider using a time conversion function inside the formula so it becomes a proper time before multiplying. That's all there is to it. Click the cell where you want your answer, type equals, select your time, multiply by 86400, and press Enter. Understanding the 86400 factor makes this method reliable and easy to remember. Use it anytime you need to convert times to seconds for summaries, charts, or further analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating!